Pilot. It's 2015. Push button. Keyhole covered up. One time. Turn the radio on.
Your app or wherever you get your podcast.
2 times. Turns everything else on. Just like all the other cars, turn it off without the brake. Press it one more time. Off. So I put on the brake. Press it. Alright. AC and everything comes on. Turn it off. Windows and everything work. So there you have it. Push button start in the Honda Pilot 2015. If you have one of these, it can get done. 214-854-9940. I am in New Orleans, Louisiana. Here and in Dallas, Texas is where I'm at. So if you're close to one of those cities, bring it to me. If you're close enough, I'll come to you in those 2 cities. So there you have it. Push start 2015 Honda Pilot. Oh, there you go. All right. See it, got it, good. I'm gone.